As most of you know, I've been suffering from a long-term knee injury throughout all of 2023, which has caused me to not be able to release a lot of the tutorials you guys have been asking for. And on top of that, over the years I've endured 3 long-term knee injuries in my left knee, putting me at a total of 4 severe knee injuries throughout my skate career. With this current injury, the MRI showed no ligament tears, and it's unknown what the issue really is. But since the initial injury, I've tweaked my knee a total of 10 times. Literally 10 times. It randomly happens, and it takes a few days to not be painful each time. And it's been super difficult to make tutorials for you guys. After speaking with Dr. Dave, a skate doctor out here in California, he believes that if I don't do something now, when I'm older I'll have to get a double knee replacement. The best option for me to prevent that is by getting stem cell therapy, which is what Dr. Dave describes as being a minimally invasive type of knee replacement. The stem cells will be given intravenously, and they will regenerate the cartilage within my knees. It's one of the best alternatives in existence. Jaws, aka Haran Hamoki, recently got it done rather than doing surgery, and he told me himself that it changed his life drastically. He said that he was able to jump down big stair sets again without any pain. Being able to skate again is something that I dream of, especially now that I have all you guys to think about. With the amount of knee injuries I've suffered from, I'm the absolute perfect candidate for this type of therapy. So I'm asking you today to please help me raise some of the funds to get stem cell therapy, as it is pretty expensive. This would be the greatest gift I could ask for in my life, and I will be so incredibly grateful if we can make this happen, so that I can get back to skating more and filming all the tutorials that you guys are requesting. Please check the GoFundMe link in our bio to donate. Thank you so much for all your support this far, you guys. I believe we can do this.